Hi kids! Today we will be reading Noddy and the Football Match story. So let's begin. Noddy and his friends are practicing for a football match against the Skittles. All of the players on Noddy's team are good at football except one. Can you see who it is? Mr. Wobbly Man just can't stop wobbling. When he does warm-up exercises with the rest of the team, he wobbles and wobbles. He wobbles forwards and backwards and forwards until bump. He falls over and rolls across the pitch. Look at how many balls Mr. Wobbly Man has squashed. He thinks that he is no good at football. Martha Monkey also thinks Mr. Wobbly Man is no good at football. She doesn't want him in the team. Here comes the Skittles. They march onto the pitch ready to start the match. The Skittles are very good at football. Martha Monkey is worried. She's sure that the Skittles team will beat Noddy's team. Mr. Wobbly Man is sad. Noddy tries to cheer up his friend, but things are not looking good for Noddy's team. The game starts. The Skittles race towards the goal as fast as they can, shouting very loudly. Dina Doll is the goalkeeper. She tries her best to stop the ball, but the Skittles are too good. The Skittles score goal after goal after goal. Poor Dina Doll. When the game stops for halftime, the Skittles are winning. They pile on top of each other, cheering and laughing. Noddy's team is not cheering or laughing. If Dina Doll stays in goal, the Skittles team will win. Then Noddy has a great idea. He decides to make Mr. Wobbly Man the goalkeeper. The second half of the game begins. The Skittles get the ball easily and charge towards the goal. But the Skittles team is in for a surprise. Mr. Wobbly Man is a very good goalkeeper. He wobbles from side to side so much that he stops ball after ball after ball. Good save, Mr. Wobbly Man. Look, the Skittles are too tired to play anymore. They go home before the end of the game. Noddy's team has won. Noddy's team is happy, and it's all thanks to their new goalkeeper. Mr. Wobbly Man has saved the day. Mr. Wobbly Man is also happy. He spins around the pitch so fast that he squashes yet another football. But it doesn't matter. Mr. Wobbly Man is a good goalkeeper. He can go on squashing balls as much as he likes. So that's the end of our story. So I hope you all enjoyed. Take care, kids. Bye-bye.